Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
What is your name?
Lisel Peña,
What is your age?
30,
Which year were you born?
1984.
Do you have a valid work permit and Hong Kong identity card?
No,
Do you have a valid passport?
yes,
Do you smoke?
no.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To help my family and to experience the life and nature of the country.
What is your hometown?
Catanduanes, Philippines.
What is your level of education?
College graduate.
Are you married or single?
Married.
Do you have children?
Yes,
How old are they?
6 years old.
Who takes care of them?
My husband.
How many people are in your family?
7.
Are your parents alive?
Yes,
Do you have financial commitments to support any or all of them?
no.
How many years of experience do you have?
2 years here in Philippines.
What do you enjoy most about the job?
Cleaning the house and how they treat me.
Are you afraid of pets?
No,
How did you handle conflict with your previous employers?
I talk to them and understand the situation.
Do you accept no day offs but to be paid by your employer?
Yes,
In your last place of employment, were both employers working?
yes.
Was your role primarily childcare or housework?
Housework,
How many hours each day did you work?
10 hours.
Do you have a first aid certificate?
No,
Are you willing to attend such a course?
yes.
If my child burnt their hand on the iron, what would you do?
I I will put the burn hand into running water and bring to hospital and notify the parents or my employer.
If my son was being very naughty when you were babysitting him, what would you do?
I will ask him what is the problem and talk to him what is right.
Are you willing to wake up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes,
Can you cook?
yes.
Which cuisines are you familiar with?
Filipino dish like adobo.
Are you willing to learn Chinese food?
Yes,
Can you speak Cantonese?
no,
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
yes.
What would you like to do during your spare time?
Cooking.
Say your message to your employer.
Hello. I hope, based in my experience, you will hire me, and I promise to finish my contract.
Please sing one nursery rhyme.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.